Stop separating first and last names manually. It is a waste of time. I will show you 2 ways to do this in seconds: the simple way and the pro way. Method 1. The menu. Select your data column, go to Data, and click Split Text to Columns. It automatically detects the space and separates the names. Easy. But if you add a new name later, you have to do it again. That is why I love Method 2, the formula. Type equals, split, open parentheses, select the cell with the name, comma, space, quote, close parentheses, enter. Now, double-click the handle to fill down. The best part? If I add a new name at the bottom, the formula separates it automatically. That is Sheets logic. Subscribe for more time-saving tips.